Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, when you see the narcissist after months or years of no contact. Wait, what? Already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. You about to really fuck around and find out how much work you really been putting in. And that's not to say you won't be triggered by seeing the narcissist. It's not to say you still won't find them attractive or that you might say some crazy shit. But it is to say that that time away you took during no contact will show you what it looks and feels like to either lean in on your healing journey or just do a whole bunch of bullshit to keep yourself busy. And the difference ain't some shit we usually ready for. So if you did go to therapy or coaching, do some somatic work, writing or journaling all the questions you had, found you a community of support both online and in your inner circle, if you did do some research on human behavior, attachment styles, personality disorders, you have rid yourself of toxic ass friends and family members in your life, left that shitty work environment you were in, and on this path to finding inner joy without trying to play like you wasn't hurt, then likely seeing the narcissist means you expect the same monster. It means you feel nothing. It means you can still be pissed off about the time that got fucking wasted, but also understanding you got a new life now. One that requires your undivided attention. One that no longer allows frauds and leeches into your life. One that can see the needy, validation-seeking, unbecoming behavior of a grown-ass child in an adult's body coming from miles away. Oh, but if you haven't put in the work and you just thought you'd work a little bit of overtime at work, thought you just let it all go like you have in the past, like this was some normal everyday type breakup shit, like you weren't just traumatized and put through the ringer emotionally, then seeing the narcissist makes for a confusing ass experience. Because on one hand, you may not want that narcissist back, but on the other, you still wonder if they change. Why are they still so happy with the new supply after all this time? How come it seems like they're living it up while you're still healing? You'll still feel like you're seething. And that's just the thing about trauma. We don't know how deeply rooted it is until we get out and get tested again. Whether it be by your raggedy ass ex or a new friend or intimate partner that comes into your life, bringing that same woe is me, no accountability, complaining, negative, blame shifting, leech ass energy into your life. See, this is bigger than just no contact. This is what have you done since. The personal work, the self-love and respect, the intentionality behind making sure you're taken care of, the details of when you feel triggered, emotional, or just fucking exhausted. This is reprioritizing your nervous system recalibration to a level where it feels like you can breathe again, be authentic, and change the entire narrative on your life after escaping that anxiety-inducing ass environment that you ran away from. And no, it ain't no I'm over it in 4 to 6 fiscal weeks type shit. Because if you took months or years to learn what wasn't for you, then it's fair to give yourself time to heal, let go, and move on effectively, right? Especially after what you endured. So seeing the narcissist becomes the least of your fucking concern, and changing your perspective on finding joy, peace, and a place where it feels safe as more of your fucking priority. You got this, right? As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.